today we decided, actually there was a lot of things we were supposed to do today. We're actually gonna go hiking. I think I sprained my ankle yesterday from playing pickleball. So today my boyfriend said, well, it all starts off with me saying, I want to be just like those cute aesthetic cafe girls. The YouTubers that go to cafes and, you know, eat like a cute little matcha or a cute little piece of toast. So my boyfriend says he's gonna take me to one today. He's supporting my career as an aesthetic travel vlogger. So we're gonna go and, I don't know, eat some good food because I can't even walk right now. So we're gonna go limp our way over to the next cafe. And in the meantime, I'm just gonna get ready. I'm gonna use this Merit stick. Sorry, I use this sunscreen, Dalba Waterful Sunscreen. Now I'm gonna use this Merit foundation stick. I always talk about how this foundation works better on dry skin, but I've been really liking it because it's creamy and it hasn't been breaking me out. Spot concealant everywhere. Yeah, we're gonna go cafe hopping. And what else are we gonna do today?
Get some gains, bruh.
He wants to go to the gym, but I don't know how I'm gonna gym when my feet hurt. I actually want to show you guys this new blush I've been really loving. It's the Glow Recipe one. It smells really good. It smells just like their watermelon serum blush. Or watermelon serum, dewdrop serum. I really like the way that it looks on my cheeks, and I like the way I can just blend it in with my finger because I'm so lazy to use a brush sometimes. Ta-da!
Is it a wild bunny?
Dude.
It's so big! That's definitely wild.
Guys, oh my gosh, I'm so tired. We played pickleball when it was peak sunlight, so it was so hot and sun rays were so strong, and so I think I'm really sunburned. I did put sunscreen on, but I don't think it was enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and put another face mask on. Biodonce Hydro Ceranol Real Deep Mask. I love this one. I'm so tired. My legs are like throbbing, and I just want my Theragun and just to lay in bed after this. I'm gonna play games again for a little bit. When I was really sick, it was really hard for me to play games because I felt like I was getting a really bad motion sickness. So now that I've been getting better, I've been trying to play more games again because it's fun. Like the little things like that really keep me going, you know what I'm saying? But I actually really prefer these collagen jelly masks because I don't know why the sheet masks, they irritate my skin. Some of them really irritate my skin. I'm not sure why. I think it's the cloth material. It feels like my skin is burning when I finish using it. So I really like these jelly ones because they don't irritate my skin and they really lock in moisture. Yeah, I'm so extremely tired right now. I feel like the sun really drained me. I'm very sensitive to sun. Lauren and I are both pretty like allergic to the sun, and we have really bad reactions. I get really bad headaches. Lauren gets actually really bad rashes. I'm trying to cool myself down, drink a lot of water. Just cut this. Look how nice and easy that is just to cut. I like to cut these flaps so it can stick better. And I just love the texture of these jelly masks. I feel like I always have these on. I'm always playing with it. I'm just always poking it like this and just piercing it and leaving my fingerprint marks on it. See that? It's so fun to play with. This is what it looks like right now. It's very opaque and it's very moist and jelly-like, but in a few hours it's gonna start to turn clearer and clearer and more transparent. So I'm gonna try to show you guys. See you soon. This is what it's looking like. I can still pierce through it because it's still very jelly-like. Starting to get a little bit more clear though. Oh, that's my league in the back. Okay, look at how it's stuck to my hair. Time to take it off. Ready? It's pretty clear now. I can't even poke it in now. Wait, my skin looks like literal glass in this angle. Why can't my skin look like this every time? Ta-da! Oh, I could have gone a little bit more. You see how it's opaque? It's supposed to be like this. Not bad. Oh, like this is a perfect example. Ta-da! Ta-da! It looks like a spring roll wrapper. I would totally eat this. The skin feels a lot better, way more hydrated. Just go ahead and do the rest of my skincare. And if you want to see my updated skincare routine, I just posted a skincare in the dark video last week, so go check that out. I just feel like I will never have clear skin guys, oh my god, my favorite moisturizer. I don't care, I just scooped the top part back up that didn't touch the sink. God, what is wrong with me? It just slipped out of my hand. This is my favorite moisturizer and I've been really, how do I say that in English? Like, carefully using it so I wouldn't use it up because I'm so afraid of wasting it. Also, look at my new toothbrush. Isn't it so cute? It's like this nice pink color. Are you serious?
Yeah, serious.
My mom found a parka.
It's not a parka.
The way it says parka.
Parka.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
This is what we're trying on.
여름에 걸으면은 거의 스포츠라는 거.
예뻐.
너무 크지 않아?
Nope. It looks good.
I think it's a good look.
Oh, my acne representation.
이거 티셔츠 너무 예뻐.
It's so cute. Hey guys, we're at the mall, but I don't know why we always come on a weekend. It's always so crowded. So I think we're gonna come back on a weekday because it's so crowded. We're just shopping around. Oh my gosh. Wait, that's so cute.
Oh, this is cute. Should I get this?
Yeah.
아, 120면 너무 비싸 이제.
120? I'll buy it for you. Wait, those are so cute.
is cute.
Oh my god, mom. Wait, we're twinning.
Oh my god, this is cute.
Wait, that's so cute.
오,
What?
예쁘다.
These are so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, they're so cute. Check it out, my mom's manifesting. She's manifesting the shoes. You're funny. Okay, we're back home doing a face mask. This is the Anua collagen one. I'm gonna save the insides for the serum later. I put some on my face. I just showered. We had a really long day at the mall. Just hung out with my cousins. And now I'm ready to go to bed. So I'm gonna put this jelly mask on because I actually, before I go to bed, I'm gonna play some games for a little bit. So I was like, okay, this is the perfect time to put on a mask because I play for several hours, so by the time it's like I'm done, this should be clear. Ugh, I hate how the face mask never fit my face perfectly. This one feels very nice and refreshing. Oh, I kind of look like Squidward right now. Handsome Squidward. But look at this. This is so nice. This is the Anua Heartleaf Hyaluron Soothing Collagen Mask. Oh shoot, it's supposed to be left as a sleeping mask, but I didn't put my skincare under, so I don't think I can do that. But apparently it's gonna turn like this light green.